Hello there. I'm extremely excited to show you today that I have recently received stock of V200 Motorola body-worn cameras for the launch packs and for stock. And I just want to, after playing around, show you a few bits, how the V200 works with the escalation side of things, and a couple of caveats in terms of go live audio and how we can offload data at this present moment of time with a view for that to be changed in the future, unfortunately. So first off, go live audio isn't currently available on the V200. That is targeted for the next release of Video Manager version 25.2, which I believe is around the end of June. As for offloading data, we have the ability to just use the USB-C on the bottom at the moment, but that will be revoked once they have a single unit dock available to us, and then it would be through the 8-slot dock controller charger or a single unit dock. So bear that in mind. But in terms of usage of the V200, just wanted to show you a few things, like I said. So on the screen, on my laptop, I'm going to navigate to the devices in Video Manager. I'm going to find my devices, and you can see I've got 4 devices, V200, VT100 and 2 VB400s. Now, if I were to use the RFID reader to assign a device to me, that would give me any one of the VB400s or the VT100. So I'm going to manually assign the V200 in this instance. I'm going to assign it to my profile, and I'm going to assign that device. Now, as you can see, on the V200, we got a nice, bright, illuminated green LCD display. There's no mistaking that this device has now been assigned to a user. So I'm going to remove that from charge/docking, and you'll see that we have a very bright LCD screen. Trying to get a bit of focus, and we can see there's a battery icon showing us the state of charge. We have a home and back button and an OK and a menu button on the top. On the side we have volume rocker up and down and a programmable button. This programmable button has been set to initialize the escalation for an operator to view on Video Manager, and in the future that would include the go live audio as well. On the front we got a record button, single press to record or press and hold to stop recording. Nothing on this side. On the bottom we've got the USB charger and serial numbers and some pertinent information. So as a demonstration, I'm just going to start a recording by single pressing the big front button, and you can see the top down LCD display shows that we're recording. It also flashed very quickly to say that I didn't have Wi-Fi, but then when it's come on, the Wi-Fi is connected now, so that enables my Wi-Fi streaming back to the Video Manager console for an operator to look at. So on the screen, you'll see that the ability to view a live recording is there because I am recording. So if I then click in, we get an audible notification on the V200 to say that we're recording, and we also have the view on the screen of what's being seen by the device operator. Now on the top display, it also shows that we're recording, but we also get a live icon there, little Y, which then says to the device user that somebody is watching our live stream. So it gives us a bit more reassurance as to if any help is required. Now back on the screen, I can take this back to not be watching the live stream and give it a moment, and the display on the device has removed that live icon and just gone back to the recording state. Now when I trigger an escalation, I'm going to press and hold this programmable button on the top here on the side. And we're going to watch the screen on the device first. Press and hold. So it gives us an audible beep. The LCD turns red, and you can see there's an operator icon, a little stick figure type thing with a headset on, and there's 3 dashes next to that on the right. That is meaning that it's pending a connection to an operator. So in order to change that, we need the operator to do something on the screen, and that would be here, view escalation. And we've got a nice little pop-up at the top that says view escalation as well in an amber orangey color. But if I click view escalation, the operator is now watching the device, and on the LCD the 3 dashed icons have been removed with a big tick. So this denotes to the user that they're being monitored, they're being watched, they're being assisted. Now, when the Go Live audio comes in version 2.5.2 of Video Manager, this will be at the stage when an operator can communicate with a device operator through Video Manager back to the device.